Welcome, here I've got EssentielB HeYou60 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap to the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Here we have to focus on this settings bar and go to the left to more, so we get access to more modes of this camera, and also this left side button, so let's pick it to open the advanced camera settings. And now in the general category we can find the save location option, so by using the button from the right we can turn it off and turn it on as we need. This option allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it, and also important thing here is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example with the Wi-Fi, and we have to also turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters, the location and the internet, to make it work. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.